The house is completely modern, all the amenities, all the facilities. But beyond that, connecting you to the nature. You heard the parrots coming, number of people have increased because they found cozy homes for them as well. And that's the beauty. I'm architect Hiren Patel from Ahmedabad, and we are in the city of Anand. We call this the house of three courtyards. This is a house for the joint family. Grandfather would require different kind of privacy. Two brothers would require another kind of thing. Their children would getting married, and family married life would require next level of privacy, but they are all together. So we thought creating the courtyards and segregating them, house will form very beautiful. Now, as I said, that we had lovely lily pond. And if we create, let's say, a building over here, so you have the connection, the pool, guest house, lily pond. We got four-sided different gardens. South side garden. We see the koi fish pond over here. So you can listen to the chirping of the birds. And then you have a garden to choose. So let's say in winter, you will love going on the southern side. Here it's like we have large veranda with huge height. We thought it would be good to create the little steps of a lawn and plant a lovely date palms. And I'm so happy to see that now dates started coming. These dates are not for us. These other dates are for the birds. So House of the Courtyard actually has existing big fishtail and coconut palm varieties were there. So we choose paths to walk between them, and then you enter to the main veranda of the house. We have the Ganesha. So after you open the door, what you focus is a Puja room. It's respect to the whatever the belief family has it. You have the backdrop with the thickly work, which is very special of Udaipur, where when you lit up the candles, you will see the multiple figures in that. It looks very, very magical. We have a central courtyard. So we created an open seating with the water bodies surrounding with the fountains. We planted a huge ficus tree actually. Ficus tree here, we have huge ficus tree here, and the rest of the trees. So house form like a one L will become the public, another L will become the sleeping zone, and the central will become courtyard, and there everybody will come and enjoy. And it's a courtyard, it's a Brahmstan, wisdom of our own heritage. पुराने घर में जो चौक होते थे. So this is a modern version of chalk. In traditional houses of courtyard, you have the walkways. We have the same thing, but this walkway has been covered with a glass fenestration, which controls from the sound to the dust to the heat to everything inside the house. Aluminum window makes the life easy because it is very sturdy, easy to maintain, termite free. So these are the like large passages. So we have sit outs. It's like I would say it's a gallery to showcase art and everything for this entire house. But this kind of house will require a further styling of the house. The southern part, which is more public spaces. So the kitchen came on with a supporting kitchen over there. We have a dining. Powder toilet. And large family space. So it's very near to the grandfather, so he can come and watch the TV, and it's an extension of his own bedroom wing. We made as big outdoor veranda. So it's huge, you can see that. It's so convenient because again it's a joint family, so we wanted that big space for them. Prime areas was given for former drawing room where the guests will come, see the puja room and enter in. When you are on design board, you create the bigger space. And then when you realize that you have big space, how you make it compact and cozier. This is home, not the hotel. Most of the guests will come till this room and go back. So this becomes very important. So private wing just goes like this, consisting 4 bedrooms for young people. Senior people, we are making 2 bedrooms next to each other. The grandfather is prime location where it's very convenient for him to walk to the dining room, TV room and everything. All 7 bedrooms are completely identical. We have 7 different rooms with 7 different personality. Each bedroom has their own private personality, from kids room to grandfather's requirement, to the young couple's requirement, to the mid-aged family's requirement. Because we believe the equality in the joint family, and एक भी चीज को बड़ा किसी को मिला ऐसा नहीं करना था. Bedroom has a lovely outdoor shower space. Between the lily pond and the swimming pool, we create a gazebo. And when you are sitting in the gazebo, you are connected on the both sides. When I was talking today with the grandfather in his bedroom, sitting on the table, looking to the beautiful therapy garden on the east side, a 96-year-old grandfather is telling that, Mr. Patel, you have done such a wonderful job for me and my family, and I am thankful for that. Is biggest blessings I would say we have at HPA team.